Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to bootuppd.org, you may have created a sprite catcher game like this, where you can make it spooky or not spooky. I'm going to make it spooky. Okay, so your goal is to click on these sprites when they appear to catch them. But if you click and you miss, then it says that you miss them and you can lose a point like I am right now. Okay? So, neat project, if I do say so myself, but I want to show you a neat idea, and this one is by Isaac SFA, which you may remember from the 100% pen project that I shared on this channel. All right, so this project is titled The Fishing Tank, and when you press the green flag, you can either go to the instructions or you can press the play button, and it allows you to try and catch some of these sprites, except you're using a bow and arrow to do some underwater spearfishing, it looks like. Okay? So this I thought was a neat idea because it is a different type of mechanic. So rather than just clicking on the fish like this, you actually have to aim and then time it so that way it catches the fish while you are playing this game. Okay? So that I thought was a really neat idea. So Isaac SFA, thank you so much for sharing this particular project. If you have a really neat idea that you'd like to share that relates to one of our projects on bootuppd.org, make sure you share it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.